stay stepping on the high. I'm buying you. Niggas know I'm not motherfucking supplying you. But niggas better get hurt, nigga. But you can get blurred, nigga. I'm on some high shit all the time, shit. Shells fly shit. I do this shit for living. None of my shit is motherfucking written. All the shit on YouTube is off the motherfucking dome. And if you want it, I'll be at your home. Niggas know I got that chrome. I told you so many times, niggas know I'm on this motherfucking grinding all the time, man. You better mind it, you better get shot, or you can get shot from behind it. Niggas know I'm letting them shells, yeah, they flying. If you want it, I'll be at your crib or at your mama crib. Either way, you gon' get lit. Niggas know I'm on some greasy shit. I let the text squeeze real quick. Niggas know I'm on that Rambo shit. Got the camo shit. Stop acting like you tough as shit. I'ma do this shit cause it's a must, bitch. You ain't on that time shit. I'm high all the time, bitch. You better talk to me another time, snitch. Cause I ain't got time for you birds. Observe the way I spit these motherfucking words. Niggas know I'm something like a motherfucking bird. I'm sky high, niggas know I'm on this shit all the time shit. I'ma be on some loud shit. All I smoke is loud. All I get is loud. You niggas better stop with that bullshit cause it's not coming around my stripping. Niggas know I got motherfucking nigga. Niggas know I do let the tech blast. Niggas know I will get in that ass. Niggas know I'm not fucking with you rat niggas. You bad pack niggas. Get the fuck out my block, nigga. Stop getting all this crop. Nigga, you ain't getting none of this crop, nigga. I got this shit on Smash, man. I get straight cash, man. On some friendship shit. Niggas know I do friendship, bitch, down. And I ain't talking about the 4 pound when I tell them I be squeezing. I'm talking about your titties, your bitch titties, nigga. I do be squishing on your bitch titties, nigga. All I do is squish on your bitch titties, nigga. Fuck you, I'll pull these triggers, niggas know I'm on some homicide shit. I ain't got 9 lives, bitch, but you get shot 9 times, bitch. You ain't shit, I'll murder your whole clique, nigga. Y'all niggas ain't even close to being sick, nigga. I'm on some, nigga, I think I should be on Ripley's. Believe this shit or not, nigga. Get hit, I'll push your wig all the way the fuck back, nigga.